Good morning and Jai Hind children. I welcome you all in today's live class of chemistry. Children, we are discussing the chapter acids, bases and salts. Is it? And in previous class, I have explained you the answers of long questions. Alright? And I hope that you understood those all answers. Now today I am going to discuss the answers of hot questions. Children, and the question number 1 which is given in HOTS is, if you get a turmeric, that is haldi, stain on your clothes while eating food and try to wash it off with soap, the stain becomes red. Why? And find out how to remove the turmeric stains from the cloths. Alright children, understood the question? It happens that the stain of turmeric or haldi present on the cloths at the time of eating the food, and when we wash it with soap, it becomes red. So why it gets red, and how we can remove this turmeric stain from the cloths? So children, the turmeric stain becomes red when we try to wash it off with soap. This is because turmeric, which is an indicator, and it turns the red with base, that is caustic soda, which is present in soap. Is it? We already have discussed that caustic soda is present in soap, and this caustic soda is a base. So when turmeric comes in the contact of the caustic soda that is present in the soap, it turns red. Alright, and it is difficult to remove the haldi stain, but some of the methods are there that can work to some extent to remove the stain. And the method is, the first one, apply baking soda and water and leave it for some times. So this is one of the method. Second method is dab with hydrogen peroxide. Okay, we have to put that cloth with stain in hydrogen peroxide. And the third method is apply bleach and water. Okay, so while using these methods, we can remove the stain of turmeric from the cloths to some extent. Okay children? Now come to the question number 2. And the question is the meaning of weak acid the same as the dilute acid? Children, understood that? Is the meaning of weak acid the same as that of weak acid? So you can say that the weak acid means, yes, the nature of the acid. Weak acid is the nature of the acid. For example, the acids present in foodstuffs such as acetic acid and tartaric acid, they are the weak acid. While the dilute acid refers to amount of water added to the acid. The greater the amount of water added to, the more dilute it is. Understood? So these words, the weak acid and dilute acid, is not the same. They are different. Weak acid indicates for the nature of the acid which is present in foodstuffs, whereas the dilute acid refers for the amount of water added to the acid. And the more amount of water added, that refers to dilute. Alright? Now comes to the question number 3. And the question is, the wastes of many factories, they contain acids. Why it is considered necessary to neutralize them before allowing the wastes to flow into water bodies? Get it children? the waste of many factories, they contains acid, because the acids are used in many of the factories. So the waste materials also contains acid, and it is considered necessary to neutralize this acid before allow them to flow into water bodies. So the reason is there, it is considered necessary to neutralize the acid in factory waste before allowing them to flow into water bodies, because otherwise it will make the water acidic, and this acidic water will be harmful for aquatic life. Okay, this is the reason that before allowing that wastewater which have acid, we must have to neutralize the acid. Okay, otherwise the water bodies gets acidic, and that water is harmful for aquatic life, either for aquatic plants or for aquatic animals. Alright children, so this is all about the HOTS questions which is given in your exercise. Okay children, so here our chapter is going to over. I already have discussed the exercises like one word answers, multiple choice questions, long questions and short question. Okay, and after that I will start the next chapter. So thank you and have a nice day children.